Alright guys, so I thought I'd do a quick video on this machine because there's not a lot of information on the internet on it, so it's worth doing. If you notice the big tires front and back, kind of off-roadish, this big forklift is called a P60, so it's a Hyster P60. It's built in 1980. And on the right side back fender, you'll find the serial number for it printed in there when you're looking for it. This one has the gas engine. I think it's a Ford, and the plate is missing the identification. The oil filter is external over here. Well, back over there on the other side, if we get a chance to look at it, is the hydraulic pump. I just finished rebuilding this, so I got to reinstall this. It's a 4-cylinder gas engine. Just uses 1030 or 530 oil, whatever. Uses hydraulic fluid for the rest of it. So here what happened is you weren't able to put it into any gear. You have to shut the motor off. So the clutch is gone, right? So we would just have to start the motor and run with it in gear and then shut the motor off or grind the gears to change gears. So obviously couldn't keep doing that. So we needed to fix it. So we were hoping it was just this linkage here, because this linkage comes back up to there. It goes to that pedal, and it goes into here. So we were hoping it was just this linkage, but it's not the linkage. What it was, and I don't know if this is a common thing or not, but it was this hydraulic release clutch bearing has fallen into a bunch of pieces. So I couldn't find a parts manual or a service manual cheap online for the P60 Hyster. It's like $300 to buy a paper one, so I'm just going to take that part in. So I do have to wait. You know, I can't buy the part in advance like you like to. So I have to wait, and hopefully a supplier will have the correct piece so we can put it all together again. Couldn't film it during the process. Everybody was too busy. So we just took the bolts off for the bell housing. And what we did, if I just hang on a second here, what we did is took off. This little drive shaft piece here. So there's all the bolts for it there. Took this drive shaft piece off and the shift lever, and that gave us room, you know, 5 or 6 inches. So we were able to move that piece. Let's turn the other way, right? We were able to shift it forward, and we just dropped it down. After it was dropped down, we wiggled it back a little bit and then out the side. So that's how you would do it. Of course, with this nice big steel protector, we were able to just winch it up with a couple of small straps. So that's the main thing that I wanted to tell you guys. If you have issues and your clutch isn't working, it's not the end of the world. It's probably $50 or $100 part, and a whole bunch of labor, of course, but it's not impossible. You can do it. So I will try to make a follow-up video. The next thing on this thing, like I said, I just rebuilt the propane thing there. That wouldn't cold start very well. It also won't cold start if your rad fluid gets too low. We have to do the brakes on this next. So that's about it. Thanks.